Welcome back to another class of computer activity. Today we will see one more interesting feature of PowerPoint. So let's start.
Dear students, in today's class we will see how to design a maze game like this using PowerPoint. So first of all, start PowerPoint. You will get an empty slide here. So go to layout and make this slide blank. Then go to design, page setup and change the slide size to 16:9. Click OK. Now we have to insert a shape in its background. So go to insert, take a shape, rectangular shape and fill this shape in background. Then go to format and you can change its color from here. Now we have to design the path of game. So for this again take rectangular shape, draw it like this, then copy this shape using Ctrl C command and using Ctrl V command paste this. Now using rotating handle rotate this shape and arrange it like this. Again paste it using Ctrl V command and arrange it like this. Paste it once more, rotate it and arrange it here. Now we have to remove the outline of these shapes. So using Control button and left mouse click, select all the shapes, go to format and shape outline and no outline. In this way we can remove the outline of all the shapes. Now take one more shape, rectangular shape, make a box here. This will show the end of the game. Now come to this shape, right click, edit text and type start and left align it. Come to this box, edit text and write end. So one is starting end and another is ending. Now to make this game little bit more interesting, we will insert two more shapes. We will take this star, draw it here. Now copy this star using Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. Arrange this here. Now we have to apply animation on this star. So select the first star, go to the animation and select animation from here. I have selected spin. In the same manner apply this animation on another star also. Now we have to set the timing for this animation. So select this star, go to animation pane and you can see here animation are showing. So come here, go to timing, click on start with previous, come to duration, set it to slow, third option is repeat, set it to until next click, or you can also use it until end of slide. OK. Now apply the same animation on second star, go to timing with previous, duration slow and repeat until end of slide. OK. So this slide is ready. Now we have to make two more slides. To come to home, new slide. From the first slide you can copy the background. On the second slide you can paste this background. Here we have to show the result. So again we will take a shape, like I am taking this shape. Suppose user completes his path, so I have to show here you win. So I will type here you win. Two more options I have to show here, so I will take two more shapes. Take rectangular box, draw it here, copy this using Ctrl C, then paste it using Ctrl V and arrange it here. In first box I will write play again. Suppose user wants to play the game again. And in second box I will write exit. Suppose user want to exit the game. Now we need one more slide. So do one thing, copy this second slide and paste it again. Now come to the third slide, just make one change. In place of win, type lose here. Suppose user loses, then we will show this slide. If user wins, then we will show second slide. Now come to the first slide again. In this first slide, we have to make it sure that user has to travel through this path. If his cursor comes out, then he loses. If he successfully reaches to the end, then he wins. For this, we will insert action. So go to insert. First of all, select this shape, background shape, then go to insert. Here you will find an option action. Click on the action. Here we will decide what will happen if user cursor comes out. So here you can see an option is given mouse over. So select this mouse over. So what should be done on mouse over? Slide should be changed. It means if user cursor comes out, he loses. So come to the hyperlink and we have to attach the last slide here. So come to the slide and mention the slide number 3 and click OK. OK. So this action has been applied to this background slide. We have to apply action on these two stars also. So come to this first star, again go to insert, go to action, on mouse over, hyperlink, again the same thing, slide number 3, OK. OK. Same thing we have to apply on this star also. Insert, action, mouse over, hyperlink, slide, then slide number, OK. OK. So we have applied action here. Now come to the second slide. Here we have taken two boxes, play again and exit. So we have to apply action on these two buttons also. First of all, select this shape, go to insert. What should happen when user click here? First slide will come. And what will happen if user press exit? Game should end. So first of all, select this box, play again box, go to insert, then select action. Here we have to choose option mouse click, and what should happen? On mouse click, first slide should come. So here we will mention previous slide, because right now we are on second slide, so we have to move to previous slide. OK. Come to this box, exit, and then again go to insert and action. Here what should happen? If user press exit, game should end. So here we will select an option and show and press OK. In the same manner, we have to apply these action on third slide. Play again, insert, action. But here instead of previous slide, we have to mention slide number, because we have to go to slide number 1. So slide 1, OK. And on exit, the same thing, insert, action, hyperlink and show. So now our everything is ready. Just one thing remaining. Come to the first slide. Here we have to apply the action for this end button also. Suppose user successfully completes its path and come to this end button, then what should happen? So go to, first of all, select this shape, go to insert and action, and on its mouse over, hyperlink the next slide and apply OK. So now our game is ready. Now let's see the output of this program. For this, press the F5 button and move your cursor from this start along the path. Suppose my cursor touches that star, so I lose. I can play it again, start from here, and if I complete my path successfully without coming out, and now I win. So if I want, I can play again or I can exit it also.